Dubai Airport isn't just busy, it's a non-stop whirlwind where millions of people move every single day. Travelers rushing, planes taking off every few minutes, and a constant stream of flights connecting almost every corner of the globe. But what makes this airport so insanely busy, and why does it keep growing faster than almost any other airport in the world? The answer isn't just planes or passengers, it's a mix of ambition, strategy, and secrets you've probably never heard about. Every single day, Dubai Airport handles a staggering number of travelers, tens of thousands, all moving through its terminals like clockwork. In total, over 80 million passengers pass through DXB each year, making it one of the busiest airports in the world. From families on vacation to business travelers rushing to meetings, the airport is a non-stop hive of activity. Peak times can feel almost chaotic, with every gate buzzing, check-in counters overflowing, and people navigating miles of walkways just to catch their flights. But the crazy thing? Despite the huge crowds, Dubai Airport keeps everything moving smoothly, thanks to an incredible mix of planning, technology, and sheer manpower. And it's not just about the sheer number of people. The airport's international dominance makes it a crossroads for travelers from every corner of the globe. But even with these numbers, what comes next reveals why DXB's story isn't just about size. It's about strategy and the way Dubai has positioned itself as the world's ultimate transit hub. Dubai's location isn't just convenient, it's genius. Sitting almost exactly between east and west, the city has become the perfect pit stop for travelers looking to connect continents. Emirates Airlines plays a huge role here, turning DXB into a magnet for international flights. Whether you're flying from New York to Bangkok or London to Sydney, there's a good chance your route passes through Dubai. This hub strategy doesn't just bring passengers, it creates a constant flow of planes, luggage, and crews, all synchronized like a perfectly choreographed dance. And it's not just about flights. Dubai has built an ecosystem around the airport that keeps travelers coming back. Luxury shopping, high-end lounges, and even experiences designed to make layovers feel like part of the trip. But even with this massive planning and comfort, the airport faces a challenge almost every day, handling millions of people moving in every direction, often at the same time. And what happens next takes this chaos to an entirely new level. Dubai Airport isn't just busy, it's built like a city designed to move millions efficiently. 3 massive terminals stretch across kilometers, connected by automated trains, moving walkways, and digital signage guiding travelers at every turn. High-tech security, biometric check-ins, and AI-powered baggage systems help the airport run like a well-oiled machine, even when every gate is packed. Lounges offer luxury beyond imagination, with spas, fine dining, and quiet zones that make long layovers feel like a mini vacation. But here's the crazy part. Despite all this technology, the airport is constantly upgrading. Rumors suggest that secret trials of futuristic systems, robot assistance, hyperspeed boarding, even predictive AI for flight delays, are being tested right under travelers' noses. It's a constant race to stay ahead, because no matter how advanced the infrastructure, the number of passengers keeps growing. And just when you think you've seen it all, Dubai Airport proves there's still another level of scale and ambition waiting to be revealed. Dubai isn't just an airport, it's a city that draws people from around the world, and that traffic pours straight into DXB. Year-round tourism means travelers arriving for luxury shopping, desert adventures, or the city's world-famous hotels. Add business travelers attending conventions, trade shows, and global conferences, and the airport becomes a non-stop whirlwind of movement. It's been said that during peak holiday seasons, the airport can feel like a miniature city. Lines for check-in, security, and immigration stretching for what feels like miles. Rumors even suggest there are secret VIP terminals reserved for celebrities, royals, and high-profile travelers, keeping them completely separate from the chaos below. And yet, even with these luxurious touches, the sheer volume of people moving through DXB creates stories of hectic layovers, missed connections, and travelers racing across terminals just to catch their next flight. But while passengers grab the headlines, there's another side to Dubai Airport that few notice. the cargo that never stops moving. While millions of passengers pass through Dubai Airport every year, there's another layer of activity that often goes unnoticed: cargo. DXB isn't just a passenger hub, it's one of the world's busiest air freight centers. From electronics and luxury goods to perishable items like flowers and seafood, the airport handles an incredible volume of cargo that keeps planes arriving and departing around the clock. Reports claim that some of the airport's busiest nights are driven not by travelers, but by shipments moving across continents. This constant flow of goods adds another level of complexity to airport operations. Even with advanced systems and meticulous planning, managing both passengers and cargo simultaneously is a delicate balancing act. And while Dubai's airport staff work tirelessly to keep everything running smoothly, the real story is how this combination of people and goods makes DXB feel like a living organism, constantly moving, breathing, and evolving. But as massive as it already is, the challenges of handling this scale are only getting bigger. Even with cutting-edge systems and meticulous planning, Dubai Airport can't escape chaos entirely. Travelers often face tight layovers, long security lines, and the occasional missed connection, all amplified by the sheer volume of people and planes. Stories circulate online of passengers sprinting across terminals just to catch their next flight, luggage getting lost in the shuffle, and peak hours feeling almost overwhelming. Rumors suggest that Dubai is already planning massive expansions to handle even more passengers and flights, aiming to surpass every other airport in the world. It's also been said that some futuristic technologies, like robotic assistants and AI systems that predict flight patterns, are being tested quietly in ways travelers may never notice. These challenges and experiments make DXB both fascinating and unpredictable, a place where luxury meets logistical chaos and ambition collides with reality. And it's this combination of scale, strategy, and occasional madness that truly explains why Dubai Airport is so insanely busy. Dubai Airport isn't just a hub, it's a symbol of ambition, innovation, and non-stop motion. From millions of passengers to staggering cargo shipments, from luxury lounges to secret VIP areas, it's a place that never stops. Every corner of DXB tells a story of careful planning, daring expansion, and a city determined to be the world's ultimate crossroads. Next time you pass through, remember, behind the smooth check-ins and bustling terminals lies a network of people, technology, and strategy that keeps the world moving. It's more than an airport, it's a city in constant motion. And no matter how busy it gets, Dubai keeps pushing the limits, proving that when it comes to global travel, there's always a new level to reach.